Welcome to Manjula Devi Murugesan Software Training Center. In this video, we are going to see how to do the architectural model design using Revit software. Come, let us go to enter into the Revit. Okay. See, actually, this is a architectural model. Okay. So you can see how it look like this thing. Okay. So actually, we're starting with this. First, what we will do now, we will start with the elevation only. Normally. Okay. So in here you can see elevations, levels. Okay, what are the levels I need? I will create my levels. Okay, then after going for plan view, in the plan view we will start with grids, because based on grids only we will do the work. Okay, somebody what will do now, if you are having AutoCAD drawing, he can insert that AutoCAD drawing either using link CAD or import CAD. Okay, you can import that and placing on that you can draw your architecture model. No, I don't want to do, I'm going to start fresh means you can start directly. Okay, so based on your grid lines. So if you go for wall, you can create walls using architectural or structural wall by face, wall sweep and wall reveal. Okay, sweep and reveal will be just like a projection and undercut. Okay, so if you want, no, I want a customized wall dev. Okay, see here you can see predefined. If you want, you can go create your customized wall, go for edit, duplicate and edit the structure. Okay, just we are having only structure. If you want, you can insert what are the things you want. New items. So if there are so many items are available here, you can add as per your requirement. Okay, so if you go for this, we will have various draw tools. Okay, so if you want as a line or rectangle or what shape you want, you can create your walls. After creating walls, we will place the doors. Okay, actually see if you can see the doors here. Okay, if I want, I can place my doors from predefined, or I don't want this type. Just I want this thing from my family, I can load from my family also. So I am having doors. So what type doors you want? No, I don't want this. I want customized door. You can create your customized door using component model in place. Okay, or either you can go for create family. Okay, just if you go for new, you can see the family. Using this, you can create your customized door, then bring that into your model design. Okay, likewise you can place the windows, and if you want, you can place the columns, and likewise you can create roofs. There are different types of roof. Okay, and actually if I go for 3D, you can see I have used sloped one. Okay, if by default if you select, okay, it will go for defined slope. That means it will create the sloped roof only. If you want flat roof means untick this and I can use the flat roof and create my roofs. Okay, that is things. And we are having different types of roofs. Okay, so that thing we will, if you join in the class, you will see that. Okay, and if you want, you can create ceilings. Okay, see actually here I already placed on ceiling. Okay, in ceiling we have different two types, automatically and sketch ceiling. Using sketch ceiling, you can create different types of ceilings. Okay, then if you want floor, you can create floor using this and curtain systems, everything. And if you want railing, okay, actually if you see in 3D, okay, I will show you in 3D. Here you can see the railings. Okay, if you want, you can create the custom railing. This one for ramp, and ramp means sloped one. For just, okay, you can create a ramp using this. So sloped floor only. Then stairs. Okay, if you want to create customized stair, that also you can create. By default, you can create like this. Okay, this type, it will come only one side. Then using your design this thing, we can change as per your requirement. And this is 3D element, everything you can see, and place your room tags. Okay, here you can see this and all room. Okay, actually for placing room, we need our room should be surrounded by walls. Okay, if you actually I want to place my room here, then you can use the room separator. See here, actually here also you can see I have used two different rooms. See, this one is corridor. Actually here no wall, but for stair I want as a different room. So using room separator only we have done that. And if you want openings, okay, by face, soft wall, everything we can do. That thing we mainly concentrate on architect model only. Then if you want massing and site, actually I want to design my site layout, parking area and everything we will be doing using massing and site. Okay, then in annotate, actually we can see the dimensioning, everything we can see this, and collaborate, okay, linking model or work sharing, we will not be seeing this, just we will give introduction on this view. Okay, in view visibility graphics, we can change our visibility. Okay, I don't want to see this or don't want to see this, that thing we can do. In manage, we can say manage our site layouts. Actually, see if you go for here, project information will give the information about our project, everything we will be doing. In modify, of course, for modifying your projects. Okay, and this one is for MEP, we will not see that. Okay, after creating everything, if you want, you can create a schedules. Here actually for this thing I have created door schedule. What is the width, what is the thickness, what is the height of the door, count everything. You can see this. And if you want, you can filter this also based on your this thing. Okay, width equal to, so it will show the common same width only. Okay, and if you want, you can know the counts. Okay, total count 51 numbers. This type of door what I have used is 51 numbers. That thing we can see in our this thing. On replacing everything, we can place in sheet title block also. Just drag and place it. Simple only. Okay. Then main important thing is, okay, we can render your images. See, actually for first room, just after placing, you can use the camera view. Okay, for camera view, I'll go for here just floor level 1. Okay, here you can see your camera or walkthrough also I will show you. Okay, camera. So if you are placing your camera, okay, your views will be kept here. Then go for rendering, you will get this. Okay, actually here I have given some simple materials only. If you want, you can assign materials. Okay, here you can create new materials, and using modify paint, you can assign your materials to that particular component or this thing. Okay, right. See, these we are having different views. Okay, and walkthrough. Actually here walkthrough I have already done this and converted that to a video, so you can see this video. Actually this is too fast, I need to set this. Okay, as per our requirement we can set this, but it took nearly 2 hours. That's why I didn't go for fine tuning, just for demo purpose only. So just I have given simple this thing, rendering how it will look, walkthrough and everything. Okay, and if you want, you can export this to AutoCAD also, AutoCAD or any other formats. This thing you can see here also. We can see rendering walkthrough, or if you want to convert as a image, you can convert this as a image. By that only we have done this. Okay, that thing you can see. Okay, that's all in this demo video. Actually some of the items we didn't do in this. Okay, if you are joining in the classes, we will explain in more. In here we can see, okay, two main options, design option and faces. Okay, faces, just level 1, level 2. Actually we will have different phases. Construction phase, okay, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Using this phasing we will do different phases, but design option is somewhat different from phases. For here actually I am having stair here. Instead of that I may shift my stairs to this side, and that is different design. So I will put as a design option 1. See, main, okay, and you can change the new design options and all. Create new. Actually option 1, option 2, option 3, like this you can create new options, okay, and we have compare with them, and which one you want you can select that as a main design. Okay, that's all in this. Okay, if you are joining in the classes, we will explain more in detail how to create family. That is, here we have seen some doors, okay, how to create the door, windows, everything we will see. If you want to create a furnitures, that thing we will see in that. Okay, and if you want to do some certificate courses, okay, in description we have given what are the courses we are conducting. For that courses and all we are giving certificate and hands-on material. For more detail, contact the number given in the description. You can either contact through call or WhatsApp that number. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in this video also. And if you want to give more descriptive, then you can WhatsApp the same comment to that number. Please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.